In the matter of All India Judges Association versus Union of India, in batch of applications, Supreme Court of India dealt with issues pertaining to the qualification, promotion, and selection of candidates who are desirous of either entering the judicial services as civil judge junior division or higher judicial service, and with regard to promotions at different levels within the judicial services. Court issued following directions. All the high courts and state governments in the country shall amend relevant service rules to the effect that quota of reservation for limited departmental competitive examination or LDCE for promotion from the cadre of civil judge senior division to higher judicial service is increased to 25%. All the high courts and state governments in the country shall amend relevant service rules to effect that the minimum qualifying service required to appear in the LDCE for promotion from the cadre of civil judge senior division to higher judicial services be reduced to 3 years service as a civil judge senior division, and total service required to be undertaken including service rendered as a civil judge junior division and civil judge senior division be set at a minimum of 7 years service. All the high courts and state governments in the country shall amend relevant service rules to effect that 10% of posts in cadre of civil judge senior division be reserved for accelerated promotion of civil judge junior division candidates through LDCE mechanism. The minimum qualifying service required for appearing in the said LDCE shall be 3 years service as civil judge junior division. If any post reserved for LDCE for either Civil Judge Senior Division or for Higher Judiciary remains vacant, the same shall be filled through regular promotion on basis of merit cum seniority in particular year. Filling up of vacant posts in ratio considered for LDCE will have to be carried out from simultaneous selection process carried out for regular promotions from the same year. High courts and governments of the states where vacancies for LDC are not being calculated based on cadre strength shall amend relevant service rules to effect that the vacancies for LDCE be calculated on basis of cadre strength. On the high courts and the state governments in the country where rules are not framed, or if they are framed but are not adequate to judge the suitability of candidate for being promoted to cadre of higher judicial services from cadre of civil judge senior division, shall frame fresh rules or amend existing rules, keeping in mind various factors like whether candidate possesses updated knowledge of law, quality of judgments rendered by the judicial officers, ACRs of the judicial officer of the preceding 5 years, disposal rate in the preceding 5 years, performance of the judicial officer in the viva voce, and general perceptions and awareness, as also communication skills. All the high courts and state governments in the country shall amend relevant service rules to effect that candidates desirous of appearing in examination for post of civil judge junior division must have practiced for minimum 3 years to be eligible for said examination. To fulfill said requirement, rules shall mandate that candidate produces a certificate to effect duly certified either by principal judicial officer of that court or by advocate of that court having minimum standing of 10 years duly endorsed by principal judicial officer of such a district or principal judicial officer at such a station. In so far as candidates who are practicing before high courts or the Supreme Court, they shall be certified by advocate who has minimum standing of 10 years duly endorsed by officer designated by that high court or the Supreme Court. Court further directed experience of candidates which they have gained while working as law clerks with any of judges or judicial officers in country should also be considered while calculating total number of years of practice. Rules also mandate that candidates who are appointed to post of civil judge junior division pursuant to their selection through examination must compulsorily undergo at least 1 year of training before presiding in a court. It was directed that number of years of practice completed by candidate desirous of appearing in examination for post of civil judge junior division be calculated from date of their provincial provisional enrollment or registration with the concerned state bar council. It was also further directed that said requirement of minimum years of practice shall not be applicable in cases where concerned High Court has already initiated selection process for post of civil judge junior division prior to date of this judgment and shall be applicable only for next recruitment process and all amendments in terms of aforesaid directions shall be carried out by High Courts within period of 3 months from date of this judgment, and concerned state governments shall consider and approve the same within a period of 3 months. All such recruitment processes which have been kept in abeyance in view of pendency of present proceedings shall proceed in accordance with rules which were applicable on date of advertisement. Court was of the view that no straitjacket formula can be laid down for determining suitability of any candidate for being promoted to cadre of higher judicial service from the cadre of civil judge senior division. Supreme Court found that neither knowledge derived from books nor pre-service training could be adequate substitute for first-hand experience of working of the court system and administration of justice begotten through legal practice. Court found that experience as a lawyer was therefore essential to enable judge to discharge his or her duties and functions efficiently and with confidence and circumspection. The High Court of Andhra Pradesh had stated that some instances have come to notice of High Court that some of Civil Judge Jury Division who did not possess any experience at bar appointed straight away from college to court are not treating bar members and staff members in good spirits, and that officers are finding it difficult to handle courts when faced with procedural issues. State of Karnataka had stated that it is experience of bar members and principal district judges that due to lack of practical professional experience of such civil judges, inconvenience is caused during discharge of duty and day-to-day proceedings, especially when they are passing urgent orders. High Court of Madhya Pradesh had opined that experience has shown that even candidates who are brilliant in academics having no experience at bar were not able to handle court proceedings. It is also stated that many oral or written complaints regarding their behavioral attitude towards advocates, litigants, their superiors, and staff were being received in High Court on regular basis. It was further stated that fresh law graduates having no experience at bar lack maturity and experience in handling court proceedings. It was recommended to restore requirement of experience at bar to appointment of civil judge junior division. High Court of Odisha had stated that inexperienced candidates take time to acquaint themselves to environment of court, which ultimately enables them to smoothly handle day-to-day court proceedings. It was further stated that they are often unaware about court decorum, and this causes inconvenience in judicial administration. It was therefore opined by High Court of Odisha that candidates before entering into judicial service should have some practical knowledge about day-to-day proceedings and manner in which cases were conducted by advocates. Court said that we are conscious of the fact that in initial years, opportunities available to young lawyers from college will be minimal. However, exposure to courts and more particularly litigants and their briefs would acquaint them with onerous duties and responsibilities of every stakeholder in judicial system. It would bring in sensitivity to human problems, more clarity in decision-making process, and educate them of the role of bar in justice dispensation.